Now I'm going to write some words. One by one you are going to read. Okay, first Madhuvanti, Srinija, Nakshatra. Take your turns, okay? Madhuvanti.
நான் சொல்லுவேன். சொல்லு.
Go, and go and can.
Very good. Ka and can. Good. Next, Srinija.
Fur and fan.
Very good. Next, Nakshatra.
Bun.
Next, நீ பார்த்து படி. ஏன்னு இருக்குல்ல. சேர்த்து சொல்லு. அவ்வளவுதான் correct.
Huh?
First என்ன சொன்ன?
Fan. Very good. Per and. What is per and? Fan illamma. This one. Per. Per. Pan. 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 Very good. Next, Nimalan. Nimalan. Huh?
Van.
Very good. Ver and van. Very good. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
சொல்லுங்க.
And man.
Very good. Man. Man. Very good. Next is Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
And
And ran.
ran. Very good. Next is Nakshatra.
கரெக்டா பார்த்து சொல்லு. blend பண்ணு. பாரு அது என்னது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னது? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அது என்ன ஆல்பபெட்? ஃபோனிக் சவுண்ட் சொல்லு.
What is the phonic sound of T? T, I-N. T in. T in tin. Next, Nimalan. Nimalan.
இது என்னன்னு ரீட் பண்ணு.
Banna. What is it, Nimalan? Okay, Mokshita, read ma. Mokshita, I'm not going to ask you, Nimalan, today. You keep on crying. Mokshita. Mokshita. Ilango, Mokshita, who is there?
ஒண்ணும் இல்ல வா வா குட் பாய் வா.
Come on, ma. Ilango.
சரி ரீட் பண்ணு மேம் ரீட் பண்ணு பாரு. சரி ஓகே. ரீட் பண்ணுங்க.
P. What is the phonic sound of P?
கேக்குறாங்க. சவுண்ட் ஆஃப் பி. சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Phonic sound of P.
பி சவுண்ட் என்னம்மா?
Look at this. P. I-N.
I-N.
P in. P in pin. Very good. Next, again, Madhuvanti.
Mausita, ma'am.
Yes, I'll finish with Madhuvanti and come on.
சொல்லுங்க.
No. Ma, wa. W in
Win.
very good. W in win. Very good. Next is Srinija. Srinija.
B in bin.
B in bin. Very good. Next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
ம். என்னது
AM.
M.
AM imma. AM என்னது?
என்னது
படிக்கவே இல்லையா வீட்ல? You didn't learn at home in holidays? AM am. Jam.
Jam.
Hmm.
Jam.
Jam. Okay. Next, Nimalan.
Box.
Very good. Box. Ilango.
ரீட் பண்ணு சரி ரீட் பண்ணுங்க தீனா
என்ன டாக்டர் பண்ணாரு?
குட் பாய்
டார்ச்சர் பண்ணாதவா?
சொல்லுமா இத மட்டும் ரீட் பண்ணு
UP. What is UP, ma? Ilango, what is UP?
To be up.
K up. Cup. Okay. Mokshita. When I'm calling, this girl will never answer. Okay, next, Nitish.
Yes,
Mokshita is there. Okay, come on, Mokshita. What is this?
Ian.
Ian. What is Ian?
In.
Inna.
N.
N. P N.
N.
P
Pen.
N.
Pen.
Pen. Very good. P N. Pen. Very good. Next, Nitish. Nitish. Bar. Bar. Okay. Next, Srinija.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Car. Car.
Very good. Car. Next is Mokshita. Sorry. Madhuvanti. AR.
Roar.
R. So R.
For.
Very good. R for. Next is Nakshatra.
என்ன இந்த குடிக்கவங்க
வேற லாஸ்ட் இருக்கு பாரு. இது என்னது ஜே ஃபோனிக் சவுண்ட்.
What is AR?
ஏஆர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்னது?
Correct
ஏஆர்
only.
மட்டும்.
Louder.
அது என்னது?
What is JAR?
ஜேஆர்
Phonic sound of J என்னதுமா? What is the phonic sound of J?
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொன்னது கரெக்ட் தான் சொன்னேன்.
J ஓட phonic sound என்னம்மா?
ஆமா சொல்லுங்க.
J. AR. R. R.
சேர்த்து சொல்லு.
Jar.
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 Jar. Very good. The next set of words. Next, Nimalan. Nimalan.
ரீட் பண்ணு. ஏய், நல்லா பாரு.
Ba in binna.
இது என்னது? இது என்னது? UN என்னது? இப்போ தம்பி
Ban. Bun. Ban கிடையாது. Bun. Okay? Okay, fine. Sarah. Sarah.
you can talk later. First read out. First one.
Very good. This one. This one, ma, not but. This one. Sun. Huh? Sun. Okay. Next, Riyasri. Riyasri. Tub. Tub. Very good. Tub. Tub. Next one. Stravanya. Stravanya. Stravanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read this word.
See?
என்ன phonic sound என்ன? Read it.
Hmm.
AP.
AP.
What is AP?
App.
App. The app.
Cap.
Cap. Very good, Mashavanya. Very good, children. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Srinija Kidji Antam.
Kidzi and your vitamin, your Nike, your neck, my potential inside. You are the wind, wind my sight. I shall achieve my
You define me.
You define me, my potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my mind, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes, I want to hear good morning from everyone. Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Yeah, good morning. Very, 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 very good morning, children. All of you go bring a ball, children. Go bring a ball. This time you are going to throw a ball to your parent and you are going to catch it back. Okay? Come on, bring your ball. Stand little bit far from your parent and then throw the ball to your mom or dad, whoever is next to you, and then you have to catch it back. So it has to be done for 3 times. Bring a big ball. Throw it. You should not give it in their hand, okay? Just throw it. Throw the ball. Catch it for 3 times, children. Do it for 3 times. Very good, Srinija. Yes, good. Next. Nakshatra. Careful. Yes, Sarah, do it. Shravanya, I'm not able to see your video. Yes, Riyasri. Good. Srinija, good. You can sit. Yes, Nakshatra, come on. Throw properly and catch it. Yes, good. Nimalan, good. Sarah, where is your mom? You didn't throw, huh? Nitish. Yes, good, Nimalan. You can sit.
Ma'am, I was on the other side of the laptop, ma'am.
Okay. I didn't see whether she has thrown the ball and caught it correctly.
Yeah, one. Come on, Karan. Later. You throw the ball once.
It's very good, Riyasri. Good.
Go back. And
Good, Sarah. Very good. Sarah, good. Nimalan, good. Srinija, finished. Madhuvanti, good. Yes, Nitish, good. Riyasri, good. Mokshita and Shavanya, I'm not able to see. Very good, children. Well done. Okay, now come on, keep the ball down and come back to your places. Come back to your places. Come on. Ilango. Ilango.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Very good, Ilango. Mokshita.
Hidaya yappa pure.
Very good. Nakshatra. Very good. Riyasri. Nitish.
Hello, ma'am. Hip, hooray.
Very good. Nimalan. Very good. Pranavi. Pranavi and Pravina. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Say.
Here I am, hip, hooray.
Yes, good, Shravanya. Srinija.
Here I am, Melina, ma'am. Hip, hooray.
Very good. Madhuvanti.
Here I am, hip, hooray.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Next is our rhymes time. That is, it's so hot rhyme. Who is going to sing It's So Hot? It's so hot. It's so
Srinija,
hot.
ma'am.
Yes, come on, Srinija. Yes, one by one I'll ask children. One by one I'll ask. It's so hot. Yeah, come on, Srinija.
So hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Switch on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play.
Very good. Nimalan.
It's so hot today. It's hot today. It's hot today.
Okay, fine. Next is Nakshatra. You know the rhyme?
Hey, first என்ன சொல்லு
Hmm.
first சொல்லு
Come on, sing. Okay, sing. Switch on the fan. In the sun we play. Very good. Ilango.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Drink lemonade,
Switch on the fan.
put on the fan, drink lemonade, in the sun we play.
Very good. Well done. Riyasri.
It's so hot.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today. Drink lemonade, in the sun we play.
Very good. Sarah. Mm.
Sing the
It's
song.
so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot today. Switch on the fan. Switch on in the sunny day.
Very good. Mokshita. Mm.
It's so hot. So hot today.
Mm. Switch on the fan.
Fan
Drink lemonade.
in the sky.
In the sun we play. Very good. Nitish.
It's the hot. It's the hot. It's the dark day. In the minute. No, 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 no.
Switch on the fan. Drink lemonade.
In the dancing day.
In the sun we play. Okay? Very good. Anyone else you didn't sing? Madhuvanti.
Madhu பாடுங்க.
It's so hot, it's so hot, it's so hot today.
Mm.
Switch on the fan, drink lemonade in the sunny place.
Very good. Next is our rainbow rhymes, children. Okay? Oh, look, there is a rainbow. It's so violet. Wait, there is indigo, also color blue. Green and yellow comes next. Then there is orange too. Finally, there is red and the rainbow spread. Okay, and next we already learnt about the seasons, children. What are all the seasons we learned?
Season.
How many seasons we learned? What are all the seasons?
Summer season,
Ah.
winter season, summer
Mm.
season.
And then autumn, spring. Okay, so we learned 5 seasons. First is summer. It's so hot. Summer season. Next is winter season. It will be very cold. And third is the rainy season. That is the monsoon season. Rainy season. And then the fourth one is the autumn season. Autumn season means what will happen? All the leaves will fall down. They change their color from green to brown, orange or yellow, and all the leaves they fall down in the autumn season. And then the last season is the spring season. In this season, flowers, new flowers bloom, and we can see fresh leaves coming out of the trees. Okay, so that is spring season. So we totally learnt about 5 seasons: summer, winter, rainy season, autumn season, spring season. So 5 seasons, okay? And today's new concept, what we are going to learn is national symbol.
Oh.
National symbols of India. Okay, what is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? India, you know. Okay, so our country name is India and we have our own national symbols. And today we are going to learn about what are those, okay? Can you see my screen, children?
No, ma'am.
No, what?
No, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine, thank you. National symbols of India. So the name of our country is India. This is our country, India. This is India map. Okay, and all these colorful thing you are seeing inside, those are the states in our country. And we have 28 states in India. How many states? 28 states in India. You can see all these colorful spaces, right? Yellow, blue, brown, red, pink, green, orange and all you can see, right? So these are all the states present in our country and there are totally 28 states in India. Okay, and now at present we are in Tamil Nadu. What is the name of our state? Tamil Nadu. What is the name of our state, children? Tamil Nadu. It is here. Here you can see this is Tamil Nadu. Down here below, can you see the arrow here? This is Tamil Nadu. This is the state which we live in. Okay, and the name of the city is Chennai. What is the name of our city? Chennai. So the name of our country is India and our state is Tamil Nadu. And the city that we live in is Chennai. Inside Tamil Nadu, where do we live? In the city Chennai. Okay? And this is our national flag. You all very well know, children, this is our national flag. It has three colors, saffron, white and green. And in the middle you have Ashoka Chakra. Okay, so this is our national flag. Sara, listen. And next is our national animal. What is the national animal of India? Tiger. This is the national animal of India. Tiger. Next, this is the national bird. This is the national bird, peacock. This is the national bird, peacock. Next, national fruit. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Mango is our national fruit. Okay. And next, which is our national flower? What flower is this? What flower is this, children? Lotus. Okay, lotus is our national flower. Okay. And then our national tree is banyan tree. Banyan tree. It is our national tree. And next, our national sport is hockey. Which is our national sport? Hockey. And what we use? What is the currency we use? That is rupees. See, you can see here 5 rupees, 50 rupees, 500 rupees. Now we don't have this 1000 rupees. Instead, we have 2000 rupees, children. Okay. So these are the rupees we use, and these are the coins. 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee, 2 rupee, 1 rupee coin. All these are the coins we use. Okay. And this is our national emblem. What is this? National emblem. In this emblem, you have 4 lions. Now you can see only 3 lions. Back you have another lion. So totally there is 4 lions in this emblem. This is our national emblem. What is the name of our country, children? What is the name of our country? India. I want all of you to answer, children. Okay. What is the name of our country? India. Very good. And then how many states are there? How many states are there? 2, 8, 28. Okay. 2, 8, 28. And what is the name of our state? What is the name of our state? Very good. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is our state that we live. Okay. And what is the name of the city that we live? City. Chennai. Very good. Chennai. Well done. And then what is this? This is our? This is our India. Va? No. What is this? National flag. This is our national flag. Okay. Next, which is our national animal? Tiger. Very good. Which is our national bird? Peacock. Very good. Which is our national fruit? Mango. Very good. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Very good. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Very good. And then which is our national sport? Huh? Hockey. Very good. And then what is the currency we use? Rupees. Okay, rupees. Next, what is this? National emblem. Okay, national emblem. How many lions are there in this emblem? No. 4 lion. One lion you cannot see. It is on the back side. Okay. So we have 4 lions in this. Okay. So I want you to take your worksheet, children. The worksheet number is 117 CT.
117 CT.
117 CT. Right? Today's date, children. Today's date is 1818 dash 1 dash 2222. Come on, 117 CT. So in this you have national animal and national bird. Srinija may have national sport also, I think. Don't color it, Srinija. We'll do it afterwards. Only this animal and the bird you do it. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So before coloring the tiger, you have to draw stripes for the tiger children. With your pencil or with your sketch pen, black color sketch pen. If you have a marker also, you can draw these stripes first. First draw the stripes for tiger and then you color it with orange color. Orange color. National animal tiger.
On page number, ma'am.
117 CT. First draw stripes for tiger and then you color. The same way national bird peacock also alternatively you have to color green and blue because the activity is thumbprint. Many of you may not have paint in your home. So I prefer you to color with crayons itself. Is there anyone who is ready for talk time today? Srinija, have you drawn stripes for tiger, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Color it neatly inside the boundary, children.
கனெக்ட் பண்ணு இல்லைன்னா விரும்பி சொல்லுவாங்க அதுக்கு அதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணு அவங்க எல்லாம் நல்லதே பண்ணாங்க வெரி வாட் ஆர் யூ
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Manitish. Sarah got your books, ah?
We are back, ma'am. We are back to
Okay.
Chennai.
Huh.
Color
Finish.
green. Green, green.
Green and blue alternatively you color children.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good, Shravanya.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Good. Well done. So, sir, finish. Take your math notebook, children. Write today's date.
Finish.
Yes, very good, Madhvanti. Those who are finished, take your math notebook. Write today's date. We are going to find the greater number. Find the greater number. That is the exercise we are going to do. Parents, copy down these 5 sums in their notebook. Find the greater number. Those who are finished coloring can do this activity.
Ma'am, can you repeat the activity, ma'am?
Find the greater number. That is the exercise we are going to do.
Okay, ma'am.
So copy these 5 sums in their notebook and give it to them. Let them do it on their own. Is it visible? Finish copying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tomorrow there will be a reading activity. Parents, I have sent you CBC words PDF, right? From the PDF, they have to read all the words that I have given. Okay, so there will be observation also tomorrow. So please be sure that you read correctly. Have to read all the words correctly, children. Blend it correctly. Okay. First sum, I'll be telling you the steps. If you are able to find out the number by seeing itself, பார்த்த உடனே கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது இருந்தா you can do, or else if you want to do it stepwise also you can do, children. First, underline the first number. See whether it is same or different. If it is same, move on to the next number. If it is not same, ஒரே நம்பரா இல்ல வேற வேற நம்பரா இருக்குன்னா, here itself you can find out which is the greater number. Avoid drawing beads and finding out, children. Hereafter you have to look at the number and identify. 3 பெருசா 4 பெருசான்னு mentally you have to calculate and then you have to draw. Don't draw beads. Try to avoid drawing beads, children.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Srinija. Have you done everything correctly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Six is bigger or 5 is bigger. Like that, you have to calculate with your fingers or mentally you have to calculate it and you have to circle, children. Hereafter, don't draw beads, children. Only Srinija finished, others?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, Madhvanti. Very good, Nitish. Come on, finish it fast. One more activity we have. Okay, those who have finished, parents, I want you to draw 5 lines for them in their notebook, like this. Because in these lines, they are going to draw beads. Like this, you draw 5 lines and give it to them. Above that, you write these numbers. So, for example, number 1, 2 is 12. So, what they are going to do is they are going to draw 12 beads. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this 10 we have finished. No, this is group of 10. They have to circle. And then these 2 beads will be separate. The same way for 15 also. Draw 10 beads first, circle it, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and then 10. 10, it is group of 10, you circle the whole beads. And then 9 beads, 17. First draw 10 beads and then 7 beads separately, children. Okay, don't circle all together. 10 beads alone, group of 10, you have to circle. 10 beads வரைஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா அது group of 10. அதை மட்டும் circle பண்ணுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் வரையறது தனித்தனியா இருக்கணும். குரூப் ஆஃப் 10 வந்தா மட்டுமே சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, come on, these are the 5 sums they are going to do. 12, 15, 10, 9, 17. Parents draw lines and write the numbers and give it to them. லைன்ஸ் வந்து தனியா வேற ஒரு கலர்ல டிரா பண்ணி கொடுங்க. சேம் பென்சில்ல வரைஞ்சு கொடுக்காதீங்க. வித் a pen or sketch to draw the lines separately. அப்பதான் கொஞ்சம் போல்டரா இருக்கும். It will be visible. First sum is 12, next sum is 15, third sum is 10, 9, 17. Is there anyone still doing your greater number sums? Finished everyone,
Sarah,
right?
Sarah, ma'am.
Sarah, greater number you are doing still.
Yes, ma'am.
Why, Sarah? Come on, make it fast. Look at your friends, they have finished already. Come on, make it fast. Sarah's mom, you copy this sum also side by side. Once she finishes her greater number sums, you let her continue doing this.
Okay, ma'am. So what is the activity, ma'am? Here we have to find the group of.
No. Here you have to draw a line, 5 lines, and give it to them.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have given the numbers, how many beads they have to draw. Here they will draw 12 means 12 beads they will draw. But group of 10 alone they have to circle.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I finished copying, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Parents don't correct them then and there. One sum if they are doing means let them do it fully. Check how they are doing. If they are doing it wrongly also leave it. Once they finish that sum, after that you check whether they are doing it correctly. In between illa stop பண்ணு சொன்னீங்கன்னா they will not think and do it. Give their own time. Let them sort it on their own. 12 வரையில 13 வரையறாங்களா வரையட்டும். Let them finish it. Afterwards you check. Let them see how you are checking. And then only they will know, oh, we have drawn one bead extra. We have drawn one bead less. That time only they will know. In between you don't say இரு ஸ்டாப் பண்ணு இதுக்கப்புறம் வரையாத அப்படிலாம் சொல்லி கைட் பண்ணாதீங்க. Fully let them draw. 12 number means when you get number 12 you have to stop. இந்த கைடன்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் சொல்லணும் நீங்க. 15 நம்பரா 15 வந்த உடனே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடு, அதுக்கு மேல போகாத. 16 போக கூடாது. Why means the number is 15. 17 வந்த உடனே ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிடணும். அந்த மாதிரி மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. Yes, Nakshatra. Daddy will not help you. You have to do on your own. Come on, do it, Nakshatra. Even if it is wrong also, don't worry children. We are just going to erase the number of beads or we are going to add. Okay, so no problem. Don't worry. Ma'am is not going to tell you anything. Whatever you know, you do it. Do it on your own. நீங்களே பண்ணுங்க அப்பதான் கத்துக்குவீங்க.
Ma'am, immediately after drawing number of beads, they have to circle 10, ma'am.
Group of 10 they have to circle.
Okay.
Or else let them finish drawing 12 beads and then separately you circle 10 beads alone. Count and circle 10 beads.
Yeah. Okay. Then write number of beads.
Very good, Riyasri. Finish, Riyasri. Good.
17 மட்டும்தான் மேம் கொஞ்சம் அவளுக்கு தெரியல.
அதுதான். கவுண்ட் அவங்களே கவுண்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க.
ஓகே
Group
மேம்.
of 10 circle பண்ணிட்டு 7 beads இருக்கான்னு strike out பண்ணி check பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. Then she will know what mistake she made.
ஓகே.
Do it, ma. Riyasri. Riyasri.
ஓகே மேம்.
Come on, count 17 number. How many beads you have drawn? Check பண்ணுங்க கரெக்டா வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்களான்னு.
செக் பண்ணு. ஒன்னு ஸ்ட்ரைக் அவுட் பண்ணு.
How many you have drawn?
17.
17 கரெக்டா வரைஞ்சிருக்கீங்களா? Okay, fine. Fine. Very good, Madhvanti. Give it to your mama. Let her check. Correctly you have done, na? Come here.
Yes ma'am, she's done correctly ma'am.
Very good. Did you guide her or she did it on her own?
No, once she counted by herself and draw the circle ma'am.
Very good, Madhvanti. Well done. High five.
ஹை ஃபை சொல்லுங்க. மேம் ஹை ஃபை சொல்லுங்க.
Hmm. Madhvanti, very happy today. Mummy is there with you. Very happy, huh? Hmm.
Please.
தெரியுது. Nitish, finish?
It's a penny, ma'am.
Give it to your mummy. Let her check.
Doctor?
Give it to your mama. Let her check and give you whether I have done it correctly. Very good, Nimalan. How did you finish? Did you finish correctly?
Yes, ma'am, he did it, ma'am. But 9 also he circled.
Why 9? 9 is not group of 10, no? Only group of 10 you have to circle. Why did you circle 9? Nimalan. Huh?
Why, ma'am?
Full day today he is keeping on crying.
Yes, ma'am.
Crying, shouting, beating. I don't know what happened today to this boy.
Get up, Sarah. Sarah. Ma'am,
Mokshita
Sarah
finished. Sarah finished.
Yes, ma'am. But
She did it correctly.
ma'am, believe she is doing correctly, ma'am. But greater number, she doesn't, ma'am. She didn't understand the concept yet, ma'am.
Till now.
Some, yes,
Greater
ma'am.
number.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah.
She kept drawing so
Sarah.
many things.
Why drawing so
Sarah.
many beads, Sarah? Okay, I'll teach her separately tomorrow. Okay, after the session, you wait for 2 minutes. I'll teach her separately. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Did you do everything correctly?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes.
circling part we helped her. No?
After 10 beads alone, you have to circle, Srinija. You have 10 beads. You will be drawing 10 beads, no? That 10 beads alone you have to circle. How in the worksheet it is given? Group of 10 is given, no? 10, 20, 30. We are counting, no? The same way you are going to circle only 10 beads separately. Okay? That is the activity. It's not very difficult. Okay? Yes, your sister helped you, right? Very nice sister. My sister will never help me like this.
She is also a kidsy breed.
Oh, very good.
She studied in that kidsy only.
Okay, fine. Who was her class teacher at that time?
At that time, when old madam used to be there. Like, she's a
Ratna
old.
Mama.
Yeah, I have her picture also. When I joined Srinija, I asked about that ma'am, whether she's
Hmm.
still there or not.
Okay.
She was not there with us.
She was not there. Maybe another teacher. Because while Srinija was there, that teacher was there in that school only.
No.
Maybe another teacher it might.
When my elder daughter joined, that time even the coordinator was also different.
Oh, okay, fine. Good, good, very good. Yes, who else is still doing, children? One small activity, I can see 2, 3 children crying. I don't know why you children are crying. You are not writing, you are going to just draw, no? Leave days varakudadu. Leave comes, no? You children start crying, nagging. Saturday, Sunday also hereafter we are going to keep classes for you. See.
Please,
What,
ma'am,
Nimalan?
keep it, ma'am.
Okay, va. Please, Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Nimalan. See, look what your mama is saying. Even Saturday, Sunday, no holiday. 4 days
Continue.
Pongal holidays, continuous holidays. From the rain holidays, then exam holidays, term 2 holidays. Now Pongal holidays. What to do? Finished, Ma Ilango?
Yes, ma'am, he finished. And he's ready
Very
with talk time, ma'am.
ready with talk time? Okay. Okay, fine. Hope everyone have finished, children. Now we'll see what Ilango is going to talk about. Okay, can pin Priyanka Solerajan. He has logged in the name Priyanka Solerajan. Yes, come on, my Ilango.
நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுங்க. சொல்லு. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about air transport. There are different types of the world, like airplane, helicopters, air balloon, hot air balloon, that. You can travel fast. You can travel fast airplane.
நல்ல சத்தம்.
when we travel far, we see some clouds. We can see some clouds closer.
Very good.
Go to many types of the world.
You see?
At a sport.
But சொல்லுங்க.
But
என்ன காசு பண்ணும் சொல்லுங்க.
in cosmos,
But it causes சொல்லு.
but it causes global warming.
Global warming. Next. So
So
you must travel.
nice.
சொல்லுங்க.
Nice.
Mm.
World is needed. என்னதுக்கு?
That's it. இங்க பாருங்க. That's it. சொல்லுங்க.
எது?
சொல்லுங்க. That's it. சொல்லுங்க. புரிஞ்சு அவ்வளவுதான்.
Only. Thank you. Have a good day.
Very good. Well done, Nilango. Yes, he spoke about air transport. Very good. Thank you so much, Nilango. And whose talk time is tomorrow, children? Who is having a talk time tomorrow? I think Shravanya. Who is having your talk time tomorrow? No one, na? Check to it. Okay, children. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Be ready with your reading activity tomorrow. Okay, children? That CBC words PDF I have sent to you. Read all the words. You will be reading every word in that PDF. Okay? Thank you, children. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Yes, bye.